We break up and you slam the door. I messed up on the bedroom floor. What the hell do we do this for? I push you out but you come back. That attraction, we can't fight that. Oh, keep telling myself that I should let go, but I hold on. And oh, keep telling myself that I should move on, but I don't. 'Cause we got that mad love, we got that sad love, we got that fun love, we got that young love, yeah, that dumb love. 'Cause we got that mad love, we got that sad love, we got that fun love, we got that young love.
Okay, so I'm back. We're back home. And we had a good time. The kids had a very good time. I was running late as usual. And then I got stuck behind the train. That was not helping. But yeah, we got there. We set up as you guys already saw. It was beautiful. The kids had so much fun. That was the most important thing. I was so tired. I was so tired, still tired, but I just had to. So we home. We have taken the stuff out of the car, the stuff that we used. So when I came back, I got some packages, of course, Amazon. You guys, let me tell you, before I show you what I got from Amazon, I just set up my Amazon storefront. So if you don't know, I am an Amazon, what do I call it? Part of the affiliate marketing. So it's like you're an influencer. So I shop from Amazon a lot, and I do share the products. I have home products, fashion, name it, beauty, cleaning, everything. I buy a lot of stuff from Amazon. It's so convenient. So I applied and joined their influencer program. So I had already set up my storefront. I will leave it on the screen right here so you guys can see it. And also the link will always be in my description box. And I have also shared in my community. So if I'm sharing anything from Amazon, be sure to check my description box. I will make sure that I link it. Put a link there directly to my storefront where you can shop that item and any other item that I recommend to you guys on Amazon using my links. And what that does is just to help the channel. It's a way of supporting the channel because when you shop through my links, I will be able to earn a commission, a percentage of it, at no extra cost to you, of course. So it's just a way of you guys, you the viewers, the consumers of it's just a way of you to support the creator like me. So yeah. Anyway, I just got 2 items from Amazon. Now I just opened this out of the big box, and can you see how big that is? I was not expecting something this big. This is supposed to be a sunglass holder, a sunglass display stand. But y'all, this is so big. Look, this is so big. So this is the brand. Is this Juvali or I think so. Yeah, that's the name of the brand. So I'm opening it for the first time. Let's see. I think I saw this off of Bree, Pretty Bree, here on YouTube. Because I bought one from Amazon, the acrylic one that stands up, the vertical one, and it does not work. I would not recommend that. So this is what it looks like. Okay, I'll see. This is what it looks like, and it has some studs, I guess, to open it. Ooh, look at that. Can you guys see that? How neat. I hope the light is not overexposed. Can you see that? That's what it looks like. Can you see? And it looks like a satin finish. So, goodness, I was not expecting this to be so big. Now, I don't even know where I'm going to put it. This is so big. I don't know. I think it's supposed to sit. It should be able to sit somewhere on your, like your vanity. Like that. See? I think it can sit like that. Anyway, when I get to set it up, I will show you guys what it looks like. But yeah, I just got it out of the box, so this is what it looks like. You guys, this next one right here, it's something that I have been eyeing. I have been looking at this for so long on Amazon, contemplating, should I not? But you know what? I need it, so I need it. It's a purse. Who guessed? It's a purse, of course. It's Mansa. What you expect? Girl. It's just beautiful. Beautiful. Comes in a dust bag like this, and you can already see the pattern. It's a zebra print dust bag. I mean, I said a dust bag. It's a zebra print purse. Look at that. This is so big. I saw this on with Nita Danielle here on YouTube. I also saw Pretty Bree. Oh goodness. And I was like, I got to have it. This print is beautiful. And this bag is big, y'all. It's bigger than I thought. Look at the inside. It could take a whole lot. The inside looks so big. And it looks really neat. It has a really nice finish on the inside. And y'all, can you see this? And it also comes with straps, as you can see right there. But I think I would prefer to wear this, you know, as is. You know, like this. Oh, look at that. Oh. I love it so much. Yeah, this is so cute. It's just a nice zebra print pouch. So beautiful. I absolutely love it. Yep. Love it. Okay, so next I got this, it was a package from Macy's, and this is what was in there. You guys already know. It's INC, International Concepts, and of course, shoes. Shoes. Girl, let me turn down the exposure on this camera so you guys can feel me. I need you guys to be on the same page with me, okay? Okay, so this is what the shoe looks like. Talk about bomb. Look at Mademoiselle. It is just this clear, very beautiful, absolutely gorgeous shoe that I found on Macy's. And this is what the heel looks like. Can you see? Just a simple heel, and that's the back, and it has the rhinestone detailing right here on the strap. And it's also all around the front. And of course, it is clear. This is so beautiful. I love this so much. So yeah, more shoes, baby. More shoes. Okay, mic drop. Boom. And you guys, I also received one of the purchases I made for myself during the holiday. And this is what it looks like. This is what the box came in. I want to do an unboxing on IG. Hopefully I'll get to it. I'm not sure. So yeah, this is from Loewe. If you know, you know. So that's the box, and these are just, you know, the cards. And thank you, gracias, and all of that good stuff. Okay, so security. And why do these items have so much paperwork? Is it because it ships internationally? This is certificate of impact resistance. Okay, I guess for sunglass lenses. It's like a whole book. I'm not reading that. Girl, I'm not reading that. And then this is what the box looks like. This is what the box looks like on the inside. So I'm just gonna bring out the package like so. And y'all, can you get into packaging? What I tell you, packaging is everything for me. I love. Of course, it's a pair of sunglasses. I have never tried this brand before. This is gonna be my first time trying them. So yeah, that's what it looks like. And that's the Loewe. And let me see, how does this open? Okay, I think it opens this way. Ooh, okay, different, nice, beautiful. We love. This is what the box looks like, and this is the case that has the sunglasses, I guess. So, box down. I'm just seeing this for the first time with you guys on camera, so it looks really nice. It's just simple, and of course, more packaging, more stuff, more stuff. Lens wipers. Then here are the sunglasses. Y'all, look at that. Here they are. Hold on, let me take them out. Like I said, I'm just opening this for the first time. Okay. Okay. Can you see that? Okay. Y'all, let me try this on. So you got, first of all, what? Let me try this on. Oh my god. Okay. Oh. Instant beach vibes. Hello? Hello? Excuse me? Do I know you, girl? Look at that. Oh my god. I'm sorry, I don't have no earrings on. It's okay. Can you get into this? Do you see how deep they go? Wait, what are these called again? What is the name of the... If I can find the name of the style, I will put it up on the screen so you guys see this, the name. But y'all, how different is this? This is so different. It is different. That's why I said in my previous video, it's different from everything that I have. It's different. And I love it. It is so different. You know what? This summer is going to be bomb. Hot girl summer. Those are my new sunglasses, you guys. I got makeup on them. But can you see how chunky they are? Look. Can you just see how chunky these are? These are the bomb. When I tell you, these are the bomb. I just saw this online and I was like, would I look so good on the girl? I gotta have it. Ta-da! Got it. Yeah. I know my husband will be like, sunglasses again? And you guys, when they say save the best for last, this is it. You thought those Loewe sunglasses were bad? They're not bad. Check this out. Ta-da! Girl, it finally came. Like, I don't even know why I shopped at Neiman Marcus to begin with for my YSL purse. I like to shop the department stores because, you know, you can get perks here and there. You can get like money back, cash back, gift cards, and all of that stuff. But apparently it was a bad experience because I never got it. It was supposed to be a 2-day shipping. I never got it. They kept taking the money from my account, putting it back into my account, and they'll take it back again. A mess. I finally had to call them 2 weeks later, like a whole week after Christmas, a few days ago, to tell them to cancel the order. I don't want it anymore. Stop playing with me. So that was it. So I then had to go to the Saint Laurent website itself, and that's where I ordered it. That's why it comes in this packaging, and you guys. So this is what the box looks like, and this is it. And right here, girl, I got a standing ovation. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna open it now. I opened it instantly when I just got it, so I've seen what it looks like, but I'm gonna do an unboxing for you guys because I promised you I was gonna show you. So this is the box. Super nice. It has Saint Laurent written on it. I love the black. It's just sleek and nice. And this is what it looks like. It's just more paperwork stuff in there. And this is the gift, I mean not the gift bag. This is the dust bag it came with. And ta-da! This is the new baby. That is my new baby. How gorgeous is she? Can we get into it? Look how beautiful it is. I love the quilt detail. I wanted this purse. I was gonna buy this before I even got my Balenciaga back in Chicago last summer, but because the Balenciaga was on sale, and it was more expensive than this one, of course, and it was on sale, so I decided to use the opportunity and then get this one later. So I finally got this one for Christmas, and this is what it looks like. That's what the inside looks like. This has the papers, and yeah. So it has the wallet. It's the wallet. I think it's the wallet on chain. Yeah, so it has the wallet. So you have like your card slots right there. It has the zipper here. Okay. And then it has the two main compartments, which are these two. It also comes with a chain strap. Now the chain, of course, it's giving YSL chain. It is not giving Shein chain. This is what it looks like. So you can wear it as a crossbody bag. You could wear it as a shoulder purse, or you could wear it as so if I was to wear it as a, I probably would wear it like this without the chains for the most part, especially if I'm going for like dinner and stuff. I might just wear it. It looks so good with my white shirt. So beautiful. And then you can also wear it like this. Yeah, you could wear it like that, just like that. Or you could do the crossbody, but I am not into crossbody. I'm really not a crossbody type of girl, and I feel like it's too short for crossbody, so I would not be using that as a crossbody, but I could definitely put it over my shoulder. But I think for the most part, I'm definitely going to be using it like this for the most part. So beautiful. And you can take my phone. Let me try that. Make sure. This is my phone. It's an iPhone 14 Pro Max, so it's big. See? It fits my phone, and I can still put my cards and lip gloss. I got hand lotion, lip gloss, lipstick, card key. That's it. I'm set. I'm ready to go. Who inviting me? Who? Excuse you? Yeah, so this is the new baby. And guys, of course, my camera's blinking. It's about to die. So here's the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. And I will catch y'all on the next one. Don't forget to subscribe and check out my Amazon storefront linked in the description box below. Bye.